What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rod and this is MotorTube, and today we have Marino in the car. If you guys watched the video before my last video, me and him went to the dealership and we picked out a Charger 392. He signed for it, took it home, and the comments for that video were so hilarious. Like, one stuck out to me the most, and someone said that my dad paid Marino to be my friend. What do you think of that, Marino?
I mean, he pays me like $5,000 a month.
Oh, I got exposed. My dad pays Marino $5,000 a month to be my friend. Just imagine that. How realistic does that sound? I know, people don't think when they comment. A lot of people comment a bunch of negative shit that literally makes no sense, but it must make sense to them when they do make that comment. So I just want to say, guys, get the hate out of your heart. Focus on doing you, focus on positive stuff, and just try to get ahead in life. So there's two ways to look at life. You could always focus on the negative stuff or the positive stuff. You can watch my videos and try to pick out every negative stuff to mention, or you can look at all the positive stuff. So there's two ways to look at everything. I hope that you would look at the positive stuff, because there's no reason to look at the negative stuff. It's just a waste of time and a waste of energy. So get the hate out of your heart and start doing something with your life, guys. Honestly, you'll see a big difference in your life when you stop focusing on negative stuff, or when you stop dishing out negative energy towards people. Trust me, try it out, and if I'm wrong, get back in my comments and start hating some more. We are back at the exhaust shop. Hey, just park in the front. Alright, we're here. And here's the Charger, if you guys didn't watch the video. Torrid Red 392 with carbon fiber stripes. So here's what we're gonna do to it. We're gonna change this. Well, I think we're adding on something to the spoiler and the diffuser and the tips and the exhaust. So here's the spoiler.
Okay, yeah.
What kind of spoiler is this?
It's called like a wicker bill.
Oh, this is the wicker bill?
Yeah.
How much you get this for?
Like 180.
So here's the diffuser that we will be installing. As you can see, this thing was $100, so it's a pretty cheap mod, and it'll make a big difference because we will be replacing this boring diffuser. I mean, I wouldn't even call this a diffuser. Look how plain it looks. So I think this will look a lot better. So right now we're gonna hear how the exhaust sounds while it's completely stock. So here's what we're gonna do. These tips are going. So these are the stock tips. We're taking them off. We're taking the resonator off, just because it'll make it easier for us to put the tips, so that will go straight through. And also, we're gonna take these mid mufflers off as well. And I don't wanna forget, we're also taking this diffuser. So this is how it looks, pretty plain and boring. So we're gonna take it off. Where's the other one? And here's the new one we're gonna put on. Super sick, only $100. So how you take this out is, there's a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here. And what else? Oh, there's another one right here. There's a little thing right here. So we got them both off. And now what do? Just pull it?
You just rip it off. The bumper might come with it, but it's all good.
Yeah, we'll just take the bumper off with it. We'll replace it.
It's the bumper brakes inside the bumper.
I'll let you do it. Seems pretty simple. Well, I think you gotta like start pulling from here. Yep. Woo! There it is. Hey, it kind of looks good like this. I'm not gonna lie. So this is basically what's under it, and then we're gonna install this. So we're gonna get rid of this, and here's what's gonna go on there. Wow, this thing looks crazy. I just love the color of it because it looks so stock. It looks like factory. Yeah, it's not like there's carbon fiber ones and all these other ones, but this one looks like crazy, and it's factory. So these
Mike,
are
can
all,
you lower this lift?
they're all clips, right?
Yeah, it's just clips and then the screws and clips on the sides.
Side clips.
So mean.
You like it?
Yeah.
I think it might have been a little dirt there or something. Oh, you're good.
Hey, that's crispy.
Yeah, we're good. That looks really good. Look at that. Let me show you guys from the back. It made a huge difference, to be honest. Wait till the tips are on as well. Look at that. I like it. So now all you gotta do is put a little screw here, and across, and you're pretty much done. Let me show you guys one more time what it looks like. So we're gonna leave the car here for TJ to work on it, and we're about to go across the street. Because just right across the streets, they have the best taco place I've ever ate at. So we're gonna go enjoy some tacos while TJ is finishing things up. And then we're gonna come back, check on him, and see where he's at. All right, we're here. So Marino got some shrimp tacos. Look at that.
Looks so good.
Wow, that looks. And here's mine.
Yeah, some sauce.
That look good. And Al, who's the richest one out of all of us, got a lot of different things. So he got the shrimp tacos and what is that, pork?
Yeah. No, I think that's steak.
Alright, so now we're about to enjoy our food.
20 minutes later.
We just demolished all these tacos.
Wow. That was amazing.
10 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
It deserves the 10.
Alright, we are back. Let's go see what he is up to and how the car is coming along. Hola. We cut one side. So both of the mid-muff fillers are gone. And now it's just a straight pipe here. So now we gotta cut these off and take these tips off and put new tips. So the tips are getting installed right now. Whew. They look so good with this diffuser. I think as long as you have it flush with the top.
Yeah.
Oh man, like from the side view, they look so good. Wow.
Crazy.
Go ahead. All the way. Give me one more, one more. You like it? Good?
That's me right there. That's a roar.
Alright, he's about to do one more. Yeah, it's popping too. It sounds good. So now we're gonna try to put the spoiler add-on piece to the original spoiler. It's a wicker build, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it cost how much?
Like 180?
180. So this is 180.
150 something.
And also, if you guys want these 5-inch tips, you guys know who to come to. From my last video, he got so many people that came through and got them on. He gives you guys one hell of a deal. So make sure you come to my boy TJ so he can hook you up with the 5-inch tip. So here's what we're about to put on. It's that part add-on. This is what it looks like. It looks so sick. This is how it's gonna look. It's gonna go across. This is gonna help him fly when he's on the highway. If there's like a car in front of you and you wanna just, if there's no way to cut it in front of him, you just fly over him.
For real?
Yeah, this is gonna give you powers to do that.
Oh, bet.
So TJ made the first hole. So you basically have to put holes in your original spoilers, just so you guys know. So if you're not about that life, then don't do it. So he basically put all the holes we need in the spoiler. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them in the spoiler. So if you don't want to do this to your spoiler, don't even think about trying to go get something like this. And then we're gonna use this tool that comes with it to put this in here, and you need them in all the holes, obviously. And then we can put on the spoiler. How do you feel about this, sir?
I feel pretty good, man. I can't wait to fly when I'm driving.
Bam! We're pretty much done with everything. Here's the spoiler we just added, and then the 5-inch tips and the new diffuser, all done. Man, the idle sounds so good. Wow. What up, baby? I like the Mustang. Alright, that was a subscriber. Bro, the back looks so good. Come on, Grandpa! Woo! That thing look good! Guys, I just want to show you guys how it looks. Uh-oh, he's still backing up. Where's he trying to go? Alright, let me show you guys how it looks. Wow. Look at that. That looks so good. So this was about 180 bucks. Okay. We got about 100 bucks for the diffuser. And then come to TJ for the exhaust. But now, let's go in there and take it out for a drive. You beat your high score, okay? He wanted to beat his fastest run in here because the person who owned it before had to have been somebody who didn't want to go fast. But that's it. You already beat it. You're good. Now we can chill. We can chill on the way back home. We could go home safe. All right, we can chill. We can chill. All right, you good? Stop cutting up.
I'm done.
All right, we're good. We're good. All right, man. We're done. Peace out. Whoop.